This brisket was 10 pounds, and we bought 4 pounds of fat.
Otherwise known as the extra fat cap.
That's right.
So you trimmed it. You trimmed it.
Yep, I trimmed it. Yep. Got a flat. I put a little SPG on it, and I let it sit.
Okay.
But we're not done with it. We're still going to do stuff with it.
All right.
And
how much? Listen. How much fat is on it? About a quarter of an inch.
Yep. There it is.
You know, because you need it to render down.
There it is. We got a little
flavor.
bit here. That's okay. That's a good amount.
Yep.
A lot of fat isn't bad. It's good. So we're going to leave it like that right here with this fat up.
So where's the smoker? We're going to do this on a smoker, right? Like everybody else does.
We're gonna put it right on the rotisserie.
What?
We're gonna rotisserie.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Yep. So we're gonna.
I like the way this is going.
We're gonna start by just laying some bacon out here on this brisket.
Bacon.
Just like that.
Who doesn't like bacon?
Oh.
Yeah. Well, you can't fight against a little extra flavor. Yeah. Sometimes it's good to jump barriers, you know?
And there's some people who say that you took all the fat off, that's why you're putting bacon on it.
Yeah. I would throw some onions. Throw a few pieces of
Okay.
onions on here.
Okay, I haven't seen this before, by the way. I'm just saying.
Yeah, this is
So, you know.
Lay
When
it
we were
like
in New
that.
York last year for that big festival, how many briskets did we do? Probably,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Those a few.
almost 500 pounds,
Yeah.
maybe? Nominal?
None of them like
Okay,
this.
so now-
we didn't do it like this.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that there. We got some string. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one in the middle just to get it started. Okay. So
So what are you going to do?
let's take this and we're gonna roll it.
I'm gonna roll it.
Oh,
Okay.
a big burrito.
Yeah,
Wow.
we're gonna keep the fat on the inside.
Okay. Wow. No, I think I know where you're going with this. You're going to want me to make a knot, right?
Yeah, pull that right out. Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Go. Okay, good.
There.
Now that's
I've got one in
a
there.
start.
Okay.
That's a start.
Wow. All right, so you got to use the rest of them.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go. Have a ball.
How do you want them spaced?
Just right about there. Start on the end. Start right about there.
About right there?
Yep. Nope.
The point.
Keep it under. Yep. That's good right there.
Right there?
Yeah. We're gonna do this. We're gonna put these through there, underneath.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull that through. Get that. Pull it. Got it?
That's how the ideas have
Okay.
always happened over
Yep,
the years.
Got that?
We have a lot of brisket videos,
Going back
but
the
this
same
is
way.
this
No,
is a
see
new
it?
one.
Keep that up there.
You're going to go through
Yep.
the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, Ward, you just came over to say hi, and now you put you to work.
We don't say hi at the pit. We come over here to grill, man.
Keep the knot. Tie the knot up here.
Yep.
Bring the knot up here.
Mhm.
Get a knot. Tight, real tight, real tight. There you go.
All right.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take our little cup here. We've got some SPG.
Okay.
Get a,
A handful. Good
well,
handful.
maybe a couple handfuls.
Okay.
One,
Oh, you can smell that from here, folks.
right there. Right there. And then we got some Kansas City.
All right.
These two, for some reason, make a real good combination. There's a lot of good stuff in this Kansas City.
Oh yeah. Shake, shake, shake.
Okay. We got that mixed.
Okay. Oh, here it comes.
Now we're going to take some of this good stuff. Some of this beef tallow.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
This thing is a little cool today.
Yep.
So you just rub it into your meat.
Yep.
So what's the tallow gonna do? Obviously, it gives you extra layer.
The tallow has a lot of flavor in it. A lot of flavor, a lot of fat.
Yep.
And it's going to work real good with this meat. And the spices.
It helps bind too, right?
Yeah.
Build a bind. Get those spices on.
Rub that into it, right?
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna need more.
I remember fans asking us, is it better to, is it okay to season it overnight, let it sit overnight
that's
with
what-
the
that's what we're
seasoning
gonna do.
versus doing it right before the cook?
We're gonna pat this down good, rub it good.
Flip it over.
Yep.
Flip it over.
Yeah.
Wow. Take all that stuff. Put it
Yeah.
on top.
Yeah. We'll get it.
And we'll just pour more.
Go ahead. Dump it right on there. Let's turn it sideways. Turn it this way.
Give it
Yeah.
to me.
Now you can roll it.
I'll roll it up over on the clean part of
Yep.
the table.
Roll it right up. Put it right in the cooler. And it's gonna go right in the fridge.
All right. And then tomorrow, we'll be back.
We're gonna get here.
We're gonna be back.
We're gonna get here about 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? Are you kidding me,
Yeah,
man? I'm
about
just
6
kidding.
o'clock.
It's so freaking dark.
Oh,
30 out
man.
now.
That's good. That's what headlamps are for.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Then we're gonna get that fire going, and we're gonna get that baby on there and just
All
let
right.
it.
Jitterburg's gonna have to bring a
Let
load
it
of wood
roll.
in that truck.
Now
Oh,
we're gonna-
yeah.
We're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
see how it comes
We're doing
out.
a fire tomorrow morning. It's, you
Yeah.
know.
All right.
All right.
Thumbs up.
care,
Let's go.
folks.
Nice. Been resting all night. Here's the brisket. She's been resting in the fridge. Oh, yeah, there you are. There you are. What are we doing? You're just gonna okay.
Put some wine in there.
Nice. All right. So what purpose does this serve here? A little bit more
We're
moisture.
gonna put some moisture in that meat.
A little moisture. Okay. There you go.
So it's an hour and a half per pound.
Yeah.
All right.
So you're talking 6 hours
Yeah.
and 6, 7, 8, 8.5 hours, 9 hours. say.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then we're not gonna be doing it at 225.
No.
No.
Oh man.
Okay, hell of breakfast. I'm eating this.
Gordon, why don't you grab that spritz?
Time to spritz.
Apple cider vinegar.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
It's not spritzing.
It was locked, huh? Keep pumping. It ain't working.
Technical difficulty, guys.
Hey, listen.
Let me see.
All right, hold on here.
Okay, keep going.
Okay.
It's looking good.
Technical difficulty, guys.
Hey, listen. That thing to work.
Pumping it, they're giving a mouth to mouth. CPR on a spritzer bottle.
Trying to resuscitate the pump here. It ain't looking good right now.
Is it working now, you think?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
Nope. Yeah, it's
All right, well, the spritzer's not working, so improvising.
Yeah, what is that mixture there, Flasher?
There we go. This is apple cider vinegar. Keep it wet.
Oh, there she is.
Let's turn it off here.
All right. There she is. Looking great. Wow. All right, so you're going to
Right down
wrap
there.
this up.
All right, I'll let you do your genius.
Flasher, what temperature right now internally is this?
170.
170, okay. Pull that right over the...
Get it started. Get the cover on.
All right.
Beautiful.
Beauty.
Thumbs up,
All right, we're doing a temperature check.
196.
All right.
196
One
on
nine-
meat.
Start it back up.
196, all
And
right.
out here is 33 degrees.
Yeah, it is cold.
Start it back up.
It's cold.
What we have here is a lack of communication.
All right, it's trivia time. Do you know the movie?
I think I do know the movie. It's the
I always heard that one as the failure to communicate. He was saying that to the other actor.
Maybe it was. And then we're going to go over to the big griddle.
All right, great.
Big smoke.
Gotcha.
We got this here, like. You got it. Alright, leave it like that.
Take a little nap.
Alright. Oh yeah, still nice and warm in there. Ooh wee baby, my hands are good. Oh,
Nice.
that's good.
All right. Just been resting for a little while. Okay. Let's get it going here.
Cut the lead.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, yeah. All right, who's... Oh.
You kidding? What an honor. This is like television.
So let's do this.
Yeah. Speechless.
Let's do
Good
that.
night.
That doesn't happen a lot.
Right.
Speechless.
And this was wrapped as a 10-pound brisket.
Yep.
And after trimming all the fat off, it was a 6-pound brisket. And now this is
Gum that.
and this is what's left.
You can literally gum that piece of meat.
Wow.
My kid could eat that without having any.
Right?
Oh, well, it's
Probably
like...
the best piece of meat you can eat.
Oh, my God. This just melts.
Wow.
Look at that.
Fatty.
Oh,
It's got
There it
got
is.
bacon inside it. Yeah.
there it is. There it is.
That's the secret inside right there.
That's it.
Yeah, there's your bacon. That rendered out perfectly.
Oh yeah. And onions.
That's what order you want right there.
Right.
Yeah.
Egg.
I mean, you had to take some. It's not slicing like regular brisket, the way it is, but the meat is so tender. Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
The distillery in this, right? All right.
He's gonna tag you.
Right.
Oh, look at this. Pickled the red onion.
Maybe I will put
I love you guys.
Look
Look at the man. The look on his face is awesome. Goes right back to whatever he was doing. Like,
Hey, where my leg?
Oh, yeah.
Pit Boys.
That's hilarious.
All right, there she is.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Got the happy swag on.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Hey man, you
We'll do a
got
pairing.
I'm warming up the bourbon on the Weber grill here. That's never been done. It's cold out here, so you gotta warm it up
Yeah.
a little, right? Oh,
Good bread. Now we need.
Oh, yeah.
I got the smile going.
We got more of this bread.
All right, chef. Great job. Oh, horse, get over there.
Come on, horse.
All right. BBQ Pit Boys for life, right?
Open it up, baby. Yeah.